Hello folks, I'm bringing another unboxing to you right here. This here is the Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat with the custom color background. These have been on sale lately because of the holidays, and it was a really good deal. I grabbed this one for $91 off of Amazon, and for a smart thermostat, Wi-Fi, you just can't beat that price. This is just my favorite one, anyways, because you got more information on the screen than you do on the Nest, and it's got a lot of nice features. It's let's see if I can cover some of those. But anyways, you got schedule your way. Scheduling is as simple as answering a few questions about your daily routine. Sorry about that. Let me flip this light on here, see if it helps or makes things worse. Okay, let's see. And then we go here, it says advanced fan operation, manages air circulation, and helps even the temperature throughout your home. Auto change from heat to cool. That's a pretty unique feature. If it gets over a certain temperature in your house, it just automatically switches to cool. Hold that set temperature. Smart response. Intelligently learns your home's heating and cooling cycle times to deliver the optimal temperature at the right time. Intelligent alerts. Warns you of extreme high or low indoor temperatures and humidity. Reminds you to change your filter or humidifier pad when you need to. Secure network, highly rated app backed by reliable Honeywell home network. Display options, you got Fahrenheit or Celsius, 12 or 24-hour clock, and you got a lot of different languages. I've been really wanting one of these for a while, and when I seen the price drop on them, I just couldn't help it. I had to get it. Me and the wife, we just mostly considering getting things that we need for our house and, useful items and maybe a couple of small gifts, for Christmas. So I know this isn't Christmas, but we just couldn't wait. We wanted to get this thing up, so that's going to be my job for tomorrow is installing this. My system doesn't have the C wire that's required of this to give it power, constant power. So I had to order something that plugs into a wall socket and it delivers a C wire. And it works fine. You can cover the cord going up the wall and fix that where it doesn't look bad. But yeah, I'm really glad I got this and really needed it anyways. Mine's been kind of acting funny lately, not cutting off when it's supposed to and not cutting on when it's supposed to. It's a digital type thermometer, um, thermostat, but it's just been giving me problems. I've had it on there for quite a while. It's kind of old, but if we'll hold on 1 second, I'll do the unboxing for you. Alrighty, folks, I couldn't manage to get that box open and that plastic ripped off and hold the camera too, so I had to pause the recording for a minute. But anyways, I got the box open here and got it where I can more easily handle it. So, but here it is in the package. It's it's in there nice and tight, and it seems like it would be kept safe, being in this little pocket here. But this is what it looks like. I'll take this out for you here. Anyways, this is what it's looked like. I'm trying to keep my light out of your eyes there. But yeah, it's a nice size. I really like the size of it. It's I mean, it looks like it's going to be a beautiful picture there, you know, with the temperature, and a really nice screen with a lot of information on it. And we're going to move this out of the way and see what else we got in the box. Hold on just a second. All right. I don't want to make you too dizzy there with the shaking of the camera. But anyways, okay, this is the back plate for it. This will go on the back. Let me take this back out. Well, yes, I will anyways. It's fighting me, folks. Hang on there. All right. So anyways, you got this. This is what it looks like. And, nothing special on the back. But, it's supposed to have a battery backup, so there's probably a place to put a battery in there, so, you know, in case your power goes out, it'll save your settings. This is the back plate where you connect your wires. You know, they go in, the wires go in these little clips here, and then you just snap it, the main part of it, onto this. And I mean, it comes with lots of paperwork. You got the quick start guide. Let's see, you got the quick start guide in Spanish. You know, and all the usual stuff. It's got the, let me see. You got some little labels for your wires, just in case yours don't have them and you have to track down what the wires are. And you got some screws, you know, to mount it with. And yeah, there's some more stuff about another guide on how to set everything. And your registration card. And yeah, it's not a whole lot, but you know, everything you need. Got a jumper wire there, it looks like, just in case you need a jumper wire on one of your terminals. And yep, I mean, looks really nice though. Like I said, it's got a little weight to it. Feels good and sturdy and solid. I really like the way it feels. I mean, it's not cheap made by any means, you can tell that. And but anyways, I mean, I'm glad y'all stopped by for the unboxing, and maybe later video I'll be able to show it, you know, how it looks on the wall and how everything works, and I'll try to do a review of it then. But I mean, I might even attach it to this video. We'll see how it goes. It may have to be in a later video though. But anyways, y'all stop by and see me sometimes. I try to do some unboxing videos. I got some computer related videos, you know. I got some videos on, if you ever like the old, you know, Windows 7 games where they're just casual games like Solitaire and a whole bunch of others. But I can show you how to install it on Windows 10, Windows 11, just about anything. I got the video, you know, in my videos there if you want to check it out. But, and I got a couple more other box opening videos I want to show you. A couple of things that I really needed. And so stop by and see me. I mean, I'm kind of raw and new at this, so, you know, excuse the amateur format and the tongue twisting and all that. I don't have a teleprompter to tell me what to say. I don't have everything scripted out like a lot of these high-end channels do. And I'm just, you know, doing it on the cuff as it comes to me. And but y'all, if you don't mind, I'd appreciate it if you give me a like on this video, and stop by and see some more of my videos. If you have any questions about this device, just drop it down in the comments, and I'll see if I can help you, you know, maybe answer your questions. Maybe have some suggestions for me that you can drop down in there. I mean, Lord knows I can use all the help I can get. So anyway, thanks guys. Bye bye.